Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis RH-kit-gasket. RH roof hatch kit. It's a component for a roof hatch, and gasket, of course, is indeed the gasketing that we're dealing with. This is one of the standard components for a roof hatch, along with hinges and latches and lifting mechanisms, hold open brackets. And this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the idea. When you buy one, you're buying 10 feet. It's the way the manufacturer sells it. It's very likely that you'll need to buy more than one roll because, according to the manufacturer, whatever the size of your hatch is, allow an additional foot for the amount of gasket that you'll need. What that means is if you have a 30 by 36, 30 plus 30 is 5 foot, 36 plus 36 is 6 foot, 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1, they want an additional foot, that's 12. So a single unit would not do even a very small roof hatch. So be mindful to order it appropriately, is what I'm driving at. This roll contains 10 feet, and that's just how it is. They, you know, I've seen the material installed in a continuous run, and it appears to be the manufacturer has it installed that way as well. I wouldn't do that because I wouldn't. You know, I wouldn't really be super confident of getting the proper seal with compromising the adhesive that way. Plus, when I fold it, you know, I don't get the right sort of profile on the leading lip there. I don't want it to fold over this way. So I'd be really tempted to run it, to install it in lengths, and I'd even cut it on a miter so I can get that margin as tight as possible. Okay, now there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet. It does simply show the replacement part view. They do infer that it's indicated or installed in a straight length. Again, I probably wouldn't do that. Roof hatch technical sheet is also there, and it's a technical drawing that will allow you to go over other common parts that are going to come out of a standard RH kit from Babcock Davis, meaning you'll be able to get other part numbers for typical roof hatches that will allow you to continue to get those part numbers, make any sort of modifications, repairs, maintenance, upgrades, so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in the roof hatch. Let's take a look at the dimensional properties of the gasket. It's self-adhesive. I do not know the brand of the adhesive that they use behind here. The peel-away tape that's there is the installation method. Certainly feels quite stout as it comes to adhesives. I'm familiar with 3M. That could be 3M. Being really, I think, the best in the business, but I don't know who Babcock is using. If it becomes something that we have to know, reach out to us. We'll be happy to request that information. Overall projection, holding it, you know, in the orientation you generally see it about 1 1/8 inches. Okay. Overall width of the base, about 9/16 or so. Okay. Big piece of sponge or open cell neoprene is what this is, and that will be real good for insulation, retarding the transmission of, you know, energy. Really, a sponge type neoprene wouldn't be the preferred type for getting directly wet. You'd use a closed cell neoprene for that, but you're not going to see rain necessarily attacking this directly. It is a smooth exterior aspect to it. And I would think that transmitting temperature would be probably their most important aspect on this, which is why they would likely use an open cell neoprene is what I'm stammering over. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Babcock Davis products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Babcock Davis RH-kit-gasket 10-foot roll of gasketing for roof hatches or any other Babcock Davis product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you